What's going on, guys? Welcome to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be working on my 2.4 liter KA24DE engine. And on this video I'm going to be doing what's called the cylinder hone. And there's two types of hones. We have the bottle, or we have the flex hone. Now the flex is what I'm using because it's the only one I can find near mine. So all a hone is going to do is you're going to insert it, and then you're going to spin it with a drill, and it's going to create a cross hatch pattern in the cylinder wall so the piston rings can settle and create a nice combustion. So you have built up pressure. Now if you don't do this, your engine might not be running as it should be, or it's gonna burn the piston rings way too quickly. So it's a pretty simple procedure. So this is the flex hone, and you would insert this in the cylinder walls like this, and then you would attach your drill, and then I don't want to do it right now, but you would attach your drill right here, and then you move back and forth while your drill is going, and then once you're ready and you stop, then you tuck it out. After you're done honing the cylinders, you want to spread a little bit of WD-40 on all of them, and then with a clean towel. This is already dirty because I want to remove everything before I put the clean one in. So I would clean everything. Try to get as much as you can out. So these are the results you want to have. It's a nice cross pattern, and this is what it's gonna let you have a nice combustion and seal in all of the cylinders. And then to finish it off, you want to spray a little bit of oil or lubricant, whatever you have at hand, inside of the cylinders so they don't get any type of corrosion or dirt or anything like that. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you stay tuned. Coming up next, we have more interesting videos. We upload videos every Mondays, and make sure to follow us on all social medias to stay up to date when we're posting. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.